So this is going to be a real easy way on how to change your front washer pump on a Mazda 3, a 2008 Mazda 3 GT Hatchback. There's actually two pumps in the reservoir, one for the rear and one for the front. Really interesting. They tell you, according to the book, to go ahead and remove the front bumper, the front headlight, all the connections on the front bumper, including your fog lights, your headlights, all that sort of thing. But I found an easier way on how to get to that front pump. So if you come over here, I basically took the wheel off, the front passenger side wheel off. I opened up the wheel well by disconnecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sort of grommets holding that in there, and pulled it back just so I could have access. So when you look at it, you can come in here with that open now, you actually have access to the reservoir. And what you'll see here is the top part up there, that's for the rear wiper pump. And the one down here on the bottom, which I'll show you in a second, I removed it already. That's for the front pump. They say that the front pump needs to be lower than the rear, just so if you're running out of fluid, your front wipers will continue to pump. Pretty simple to get at. As I said, it's a matter of removing the electrical wire on the pump, which I'll show you in a bit, and the hose that goes to the front sprayers. So very easy to get at. It took like 10 minutes to do this, as opposed to sort of the way they were suggesting. So this is the 2008 Mazda 3 front pump that was removed from the reservoir. I just showed you from the bottom part. If you remember, it just basically fits in this way. Your electrical connector can only go one way, right there at the top. And then on the left side, you'll see that's where your hose to your sprayers go. Really interesting. I opened this up and it is completely rusted out on the inside. So again, it's very simple. There's a grommet that fits right around here, and that's it. It comes with a rubber grommet. It basically just slides right onto there, and then that goes right into the reservoir. So very simple process to remove and put back in. And these little clips on the side there hold it securely in place, just the shape of it. So that's it. It's just a pressure fit, and good luck changing your pump.